Hello and welcome back. Let's continue with character sets and ranges. So let's say I have a text here, and if I want to find out for a pattern where X is not followed by one or more X or Y, I can do the following. First, we need to import RE. Then we have RE.findAll. And we have our pattern X not followed by exclusion, not followed by XY, X or Y, and then by adding plus sign, we can say X not followed by one or more X or Y. Then we pass our text string and run it. So we get X, XA, XB, XZ. Here you see that X is not followed by one or more X or Y. Good. Let's look at another example. Let's say I have a text. What if I want to find a pattern where it will give me this and punctuation from this string? How can we write it? Okay, let's see. RE.findAll, and then I pass my pattern here for my text string. So I want to find A to Z. What do you think I will get if I just pass A to Z? So let's run it. So I got a long list of these strings, right? Okay, but that's not what I want, right? I just want to get this and the word punctuation, right? So those two words have one thing in common. They both start with uppercase. So instead of lower A to Z, I can say upper A to upper Z. Now, what do you think I will get if I just pass it like this? So in this string, look for a pattern that has uppercases A through Z. Okay, let's run it and see. So this just gave me upper T and upper P. But I want this word, this, and punctuation. So for that, I can add lower A to Z. Okay, what do you think I will get now? So this just says look for a pattern, right, that starts with any uppercase between A and Z, followed by any lowercase between A and Z. Let's run it and see. So this just gives me TH and PU, but I don't want that. I want the whole word here, this and punctuation. So I want both words. So for that, I have to finally pass a plus sign here, right? So this means look for uppercase A through Z anywhere in the text string, followed by one or more lowercase between A and Z, right? So let's run that. This time we get this and punctuation, right? So look for any uppercase letters from between A and Z, followed by one or more lowercase letters between A and Z. Good. So let me call my text. And what if I wanna find only the words here? So what if I don't want the dot, dash, or even the exclamation point? So how can we do that using regular expression? So let's look at that. We can say re dot find all, right? And then r, and then we pass our pattern and our text string. So in here, I want to exclude this dot punctuation mark, the dash, or even empty spaces. How can we do that? So we can do that by using the exclusion sign. So exclude dot, exclude dash, exclude exclamation point, or even spaces, right? And to make it one or more of any of these punctuation marks, I add a plus. So this means look for a pattern by excluding one or more of these punctuation marks and spaces, right? There's one problem with this code. Okay, let me run it and show you. Okay, let's run it. See, here we get an error. It says bad character range. That's because we cannot use a dash in a range. So let's pass backslash here and run it again. Good. Here we get a list containing all the words excluding a dot, empty space, dash, punctuation mark, and so on. Good. So in summary, we looked at character sets and ranges. A character set is a group of characters enclosed in a square bracket. And then we saw how we could match anywhere in our text string by using this character sets and ranges. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.